Okay, here we go. Testing the new lights and the Wolf Pop.
Bop, bop, bop. Boom. 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 Boom, 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 boom. Boom. Bop, bop. That's pretty sick.
It's unbelievable.
Bop. That's backwards. Bop, 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 bop. Bop. Bop, 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 bop.
So talk me through all your stuff here you're doing.
So these are all the different music ones.
Yep.
Let's see here. So you have like full color. This is the spectrum where it's like looks like a EQ kind of thing. But let's see here. This one is stars, but it's so you got stars with music. That's all the colors. Then you can pick your own color. So you could say like green, bump, whatever. And you got this whole thing just like kind of starts from the front. You know what I mean? Like I don't know what you call it, like a meter almost.
Oh yeah.
Noise
okay.
meter. And that single color noise meter.
A VU or UV.
Bump. Gradient. This is like the whole thing goes. Single color pulse. Full color injection. Bop. That's the one that's like this sends the beat. And you have single color injection. So you can do whatever you want. Bop.
What about those solid colors and stuff you were doing earlier?
Yeah, this is the solid color forward injection. Then you can have a full color backwards. That's going the other way. Single color backwards. And then the other one, this one is full color. So this one is kind of like the noise meter.
Yeah, it looks like that, yeah.
Bop. But it has to be really loud to go all the way. Bop.
Woo!
Single color. Love and peace, just like different flashes.
Wow.
Christmas. Heartbeat. Party. And then back to the other one. And then what's cool is you can have, so right now the mic that we're picking up is from the controller, but you can change it to your phone. So right now it's on my phone.
Oh, so it'll actually go to the beat.
Yeah, but it's delayed a little more. You can tell.
Yeah. Do some of these patterns that aren't sound activated, just regular lighting.
So here's like that stacking one.
Yeah, let me check that out.
Where's the difference?
It just stacks at the end, every dot. Yeah, that's cool.
Full color. Then there's all these like different ones that change color. Like it'll start off green and then blue. Yellow stack. Let's see here. This one. The blue meteor.
What about you guys?
Oh, dude, look how seamless it is at the end. Look, watch.
Oh, wow. It's perfect, right? So back here is the controller. And the receiver.
And the stars.
That's pretty cool.
The comet. Or the meteor. It just has like a different tail on it.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see here. So this one just goes backwards. I don't know if you can tell, but it'll go forward and then bounce off and then go the other way.
Yeah.
Instead of it going all the way around.
Yeah, you can see it, and it's leaving a trail too. And the trail dissipates right as it gets to the back to the front. Look.
Yeah.
That's
but
really
anytime
cool.
it bounces, then you have just a dot.
That's
so you
pretty
could have
sweet.
just this going and bouncing. Yeah, cool. It's cool because it travels so far, dude.
Yeah. It's really sick. That is insane,
Dude, that's
man.
sick. Look at that. Dude, that's...
Holy crap. Hello, Michael. So basically, to set this up, you cut a bunch of aluminum, tacked it up there. It's the perfect width of the LED strip. And just ran around the entire roof of the camper.
I like how it changes colors. It like fades into
Yeah, it's really, really smooth
instead of just,
transition.
like that. How it's
Yeah.
so smooth.
Oh, it's crazy. It looks super dope.
Yeah, man, it's perfect in here.
Yeah, it looks really sick, dude. Crazy. All right, go out with a bang. What do you? What's the craziest program?
I don't know. I think one that probably the
That was pretty wild. What was going on there?
it wasn't the spin. It was one of the meteors.
It's bananas.
Because the meteor, it's just continuous. Like, it's perfect.
Yeah, that looks dope too. Right on.
Yeah, man.
She's dialed in. Harvey's RVs for all your LED lighting technology and RV repair.